Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is April the 15th, 2021. We're going to give you all a price prediction update in the market for RIOT blockchain. You guys can see here that the market has given us some increased volatility. The volume came through yesterday, so we need to talk about where the market's going to go so that we can get in position and profit from the trap. So before I drop these plays to you, if today is your first time ever viewing our content, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to this channel. You want to come back again and again and again, because we're going to give you all the heads up as to where price is going to go. We're going to give it to you all the unbiased consensus as to what the market is reading on the price chart. We could care less whether or not the market continues to go higher in price or drops, because we can win in all directions in the market. So join us, hit that like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel, tap that bell notification so that you become aware of whenever we create our content on this platform. So real quick, the market in RIOT blockchain dropped 15% yesterday. The volume substantiate that everyone was in consensus to drop the price down in RIOT blockchain. You guys can see we haven't seen this much volume since February 23rd, 2021. So it's been a while that the market actually became a little bit more active in RIOT blockchain. Okay, so we need to talk about that. We need to see what has changed into the market in RIOT blockchain. You guys can see for the most part, this market has just been bouncing between $60 all the way back down towards 44. Okay, that's where the pretty much of all of the price activity, all the business transactions between the buyers and the sellers has occurred ever since ending of February 2021. So now let's take a look at the market in RIOT blockchain here on the 2-day time frame. And again, the volume speaks volumes literally on the price chart. That tells us that something has occurred. Something is changing into the market in RIOT blockchain. On the 2-day time frame, you guys can even see here that the market failed to break above $60. That is going to be massive as we continue to see this stock trade, and not expect the market to go higher until we see that price break back up above $60 to $61. Clue. That's a massive clue for us that the trap has dropped on us to let us know where the market price is going to go in RIOT blockchain. Next thing, this is the trend. Okay, this is the current trend into the market in RIOT blockchain. So yeah, the market is anticipated to try to come in and hold support right there around $48. The last trade price was $51.41. Oh, I'm sorry, $50.16 on the close of yesterday. So my eyes are still posted right there on $48 because the trap can still see and hold support there. Okay, but I'm not too convinced that that's going to last, because the volume, the spread, the weakness on this current 2-day price bar lets me know that that $48 is massively in jeopardy of being broken to the downside, massively. Now let me look at this on a 3-day time frame. Okay, even here on a 3-day time frame, the market in RIOT is giving us a lot of weakness. We're going to play the weakness and expect this stock to drop in price. On the 5-day, even here, this is where a lot of weakness is being revealed. I mean, look at all of these red price bars. Look at all of these opportunities that the market and RIOT blockchain try to go higher, and it couldn't even complete it. So it's been seeing rejection over the last five-day price bars. The market is getting tired. It is letting us know that it doesn't have enough momentum to continually break that price above $61. And as that time goes on and it continues to fail, yeah, the price has to drop, because the attempts that it has tried to do to continue to move higher in price just simply fails and gets rejected time and time again. So why are we under the premise that we expect the price to go higher? And that is not what the chart is reflecting. So 5-day, what about on the weekly? Even here on the weekly time frame, we got a day and 10 hours left for this current weekly price bar, but it's weakness. We've had the opportunity to see RIOT go high in price, and right now we're closing at the low of the bar. So I see 2 areas of restriction. The closest one to where the price was on yesterday's around $55, $56. The ultimate restriction area is around 61, right there. So yeah, we're going to play the weakness into the market for this stock. Let's go ahead and play that real quick. And I told you that we all need to stay focused in on $48 because that literally will be the area to where the trap will come in and try to prop that price up. Okay, $48. Now that's about 4.25%, but that's profit. We will have to come in and take some of that off the table right there in the market in Riot at 48. Now I'm going to bring it down here towards $45.05, maybe even 45 even. It all depends on where your time preference is in the market. Okay, so what we're going to do, I'm not expecting the market in Riot to necessarily hold this ascending line. It's going to try right there around $48, which is why I'm trying to let you know that now, that you will have to come in and skim off some profitability there. But when I look at this on a 5-day weekly time frame, the next area of support would be all the way down here towards $40.45, give or take. Okay, so we're going to bring it ultimately down here to $40.45. Okay, it's going to take some time because look, we're looking at this on the 5-day time frame, so at least you got to expect that play to happen within the next 5 days, even within the next couple of weeks. You got to let that play go out, because my expectations would be for us to try to see the market hold this ascending line right here on this particular day. So it might happen today, might even happen tomorrow, but generally I am suspecting that the market going to try to prop itself up on that trend right there, which is why we're going to keep it there until we come back and do another video update for Riot blockchain. Okay, so that's it. What are you all seeing into the market in the Riot blockchain? Let me see on the hourly, are we getting any strength? Okay, no, I'm not seeing any strength yet, but like I said, right here at $48 we need to pay attention to. All right there. So now let me know your thoughts. I want you to call the market right alongside with us, or drop the comment in the comment section and tell me where do you all see the market and Riot going over the next couple of weeks, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Just let me know, where do you think the price in Riot blockchain is going to go? Do you think it's still a buy? Do you think the market is a sell? You know, just let the community know what you all expect the market to do in Riot blockchain. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.